Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 24. The body responsible for organizing trade fairs and exhibitions in Nigeria is A. Chamber of Commerce, B. Consumer Protection Council, C. Manufacturer Association, D. Public Corporation, E. Trade Union Congress. So we're looking at the body responsible for organizing trade fairs and exhibitions in Nigeria. So let's look at each of these bodies in the options and see what they or see the function they perform. Now the Chamber of Commerce is an association of business people designed to promote and protect the interests of its members, that is the business people. Now, option B, which is Consumer Protection Council, receives consumer complaints about a certain product or service or corporation and works to ensure speedy redress. Now, the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, that is MEN, is a platform. That manufacturers use to influence economic, industrial, labor, and social policies. Option D, which is Public Corporation, is basically just a corporation, any corporation owned and operated by a government. And lastly, the Trade Union Congress, it regulates relations between its members and employers. So it's more or less like a pressure group. Now, from the definitions we are given, we see that the Chamber of Commerce, one of the functions of the Chamber of Commerce is to promote the interests of its members, and a trade fair is a form of exhibition or event where business people are given the opportunity to showcase their products or services to many people. So it's more or less like a broad platform that promotes the business of the people participating in it. So it is part of promotion of the interest of business people. So the exhibitions and trade fairs are organized by the Chamber of Commerce. The Chamber of Commerce is option A. Thank you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.